Hello and welcome to Spoiled by Coco. My name is Apurvi and in this channel I share with you eggless recipes. In this festive edit, I'm going to share recipes that are inspired from Indian sweets or Indian snack. Today I'm going to bake masala crackers that are inspired from favorite Indian tea time snacks, Mathri. I'm going to bake these instead of frying them. So let's get baking. In a large utensil, take 112 grams of all-purpose flour, 32 grams of whole wheat flour, 32 grams of semolina. Add salt to taste. I am adding 3 grams of it. 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder. Next I am going to take 2 grams of carom seeds, that is Ajwain, in my palm and add it by rubbing between my palms. This releases more flavor. Next add 1 teaspoon of dried fenugreek leaves, that is kasuri methi, in the same manner by rubbing between my palms. Using my finger, I am creating a space for my clarified butter. Add 25 grams of it. I am going to gently incorporate the clarified butter, that is ghee, in the flour by rubbing the flour between my palms. This makes your crackers more flaky and gives good texture. Rub till it has breadcrumb texture. This is the sign of perfect crumb dough, which will give flaky texture. It should hold its shape. Now add water. Knead the dough that is not too stiff or soft. It should have consistency toward the stiffer side. Knead for 5 minutes. I have taken 100 ml of water, but you can see I have not used all of it. Now cover the dough with a wet cloth and let rest for 30 minutes. Today I am going to make these crackers with spices so that you can have them as it is or you can have them with pickle also. While making these crackers, it is important that you coat your flour properly with ghee, that is clarified butter. You have to rub the flour properly between your palm so that the flour gets completely coated with ghee. This will give your crackers a flaky texture. You can replace your ghee with any flavorless oil. Unlike the traditional method of frying, I am going to bake these crackers to make them healthy by lowering the fat percentage while preserving its taste and texture. After 30 minutes, knead the dough slightly and divide into 2 portions. Roll the dough into thin sheet like so and using a knife remove the extra to make a square. Now give shape to your crackers, either rectangle or triangle like these. Place them on a baking sheet and using a fork, pierce holes in them. That is very important. This prevents your crackers from puffing up while baking. Brush ghee properly to each cracker. Bake these in a preheated oven at 180 C for 14 to 16 minutes till nice golden brown in color. Cool them completely. Please give the video a thumbs up if you have liked it. Subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the bell icon so that you can get notified each time I share a new recipe. Serve them with tea and either a sweet mango pickle or masala mango pickle, or have them as it is. They are flaky and delicious of their own. Thank you for watching Spoiled by Coco.